So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Railtel share. So there are few updates regarding Railtel. So yesterday when we have discussed about Railtel, so technically we have seen that stock is showing some bullishness. So chart pattern also clearly it is indicating that it is showing some reversal pattern. So that is what we have discussed yesterday. And today we know that an update has been released by Railtel regarding a project worth almost 153 crores. So we'll go to the BSE website, download that particular document, and we'll see what are the details regarding this particular update. So whenever any update is coming instantly, I am putting it in the Telegram. So when we know that today this particular update has come and I immediately updated in it, and after that stock has also, which was trading in a flat movement, and suddenly it has started retracing and gone to almost 140 rupees level. So currently it is almost 8% up. So what anything may happen. So what will be the next immediate target? So how the volume is changing, that also we'll try to find out. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and make sure you join the Telegram as well. So any instant updates I am posting there, whether it may be regarding Magisco or anything, so that anything important things which you should not miss, so that I'm trying to upload. Okay, further if you're having any doubts as well, you can message me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT, so that you can clarify your doubts personally. Okay, so first discussing about the update which is released in the BSE. So you can see today's date is 22nd March, and currently the update also was released on 22nd March, that is today itself, and you can see time is around 2:36. So you can see update clearly that the company has released an update regarding, you can read here, has received the work order amounting rupees 153.15 crores including GST for establishments of MPLs and VPN network for higher bandwidth on rental basis for 5 years. You can see for 5 years it has got this particular agreement, and you can see a very good amount. 153 crores is not a joke for the company. Basically this company market capitalization stands near 4,100 crores, and if you see price to earning ratio stands near 23. So little decent company, even though we have seen some bullishness in the previous past weeks, but when it has corrected, so that was healthy correction. So now again will it retrace? So that would be very beneficial. So that's why I told for all my viewers who are holding Railtel especially not to do any sort of selling. So potential, when potential is there, that time only these type of updates come and stock also reacts accordingly. Okay, so if you see today's traded quantity versus deliverable quantity, so currently market is ongoing. So I have taken the screenshot, roughly you can take the time as 2 p.m. So if you see the quantity traded as well as deliverable quantity, so little bit of traded quantity is huge. Why? Because little bit of volatility is present in the stock. So market also is fluctuating on positive to negative side because of various global factors. I told you clearly, when it approaches near 130 rupees level, so definitely try to buy it. Don't do any sort of hesitation. And also if you're trying to average, because already many people have bought at 180 185 rupees level, and they're waiting for that moment when the stock will retrace. So deliverables percentage, you can see roughly 35.98% deliverable is present. Okay, so basically whenever the traded quantity is huge, so you can see here 54 lakh is nothing but little bit. It is when a stock movement is huge, like let's say from 5%, 6%, when it is fluctuating in that region, so that time trading happens in a regular manner. So that's why we see traded quantity huge, but deliveries are also very good since it was present at the support. So that was looking attractive for many people. So let us compare the technical charts, what we have discussed yesterday, and what is the current situation of Railtel. Okay, so this is the chart that we have discussed yesterday when it was near 130.60. This is the chart I share in yesterday's video, and also when many people asked in Instagram. So that is what you can see. This is the image. So if you see why I told it is looking little bullish, because you can see the candle which it has formed. So that is looking bullish hammer type. So if you're not aware of candle patterns, so what are those things? So that also I'll discuss. If you're interested, definitely mention in the comment section. So I'll try to gather all the requests and make a separate video on candlesticks pattern as well. So this particular buying which was seen from lower levels indicates that this particular update which was released today was already known within them. So that's why the buying which you are expecting was seen from lower levels, and it has closed on little consolidation side. So you can see it was consolidating. So that's why today, even when market was down, since the update has come, it has started moving up. So now let's see the current market price and current levels, how the stock has reacted. Okay, so we're back onto the 1 day chart. So this is the today's chart pattern. So you can see today it is near 140.35 and it is almost 7.47 positive. Same reason, see, this was the candle yesterday that we were discussing, same bullish, and today you can see a bullish harami candle has been formed. So this is okay if you don't know about candlesticks. Also, if you watch regularly my videos, some knowledge definitely you will be gaining. So this particular channel is released only for knowledge purpose. So if you're having doubts also, you can clarify with me, then definitely you will be earning good profit, not only in this stock, any stock, because learning is important, earning is secondary. So when you learn, so then only you can earn. So next immediate resistance that you can see here is 150. Okay, can you see clearly? 150 is the next immediate resistance. So if it closes above 140, so we know that 143 is the upper circuit value. So if it breaks that, then definitely 150 would be the next resistance, and after that 175 would be the next immediate target for RailTel. So make sure you watch these two things. Support wise, nothing to discuss. 130 is the clear support. So market is little volatile. So if you're doing any positional trading or any swing trade, so trade accordingly. So don't try to enter with heavy quantities. So follow strict rules. If you're averaging, average with a basic quantity. Again, if it shows any sort of retracement or correction, again try to average. So we can't predict anything, just we run on basic analysis. Today what we discussed technical, so this is one of the primary reasons why we have taken trade in RailTel. Okay, so let's see basic things again regarding RailTel, like financial. So why we need to hold this particular stock, so that it will give us further confidence. Okay, so if we see previous results also that RailTel has reported, we have seen considerable increase in results as well. Operating profit has increased. After that, you can see profit before tax, little considerable decrease was there. That is March 2020. After that, they now updated the result. Net profit, you can see it has increased to 141. So financials wise, nothing is seen negative in RailTel. So that's why I told, if you are willing to hold, if you're finding some potential stocks, especially in railway segment, then definitely this would be one. Another one was IRFC. So keep all these two stocks in radar, because what is the main thing? We need to hold for long term and return should be generated. So since it is getting some good projects, so definitely it will help that. So make sure you keep the levels into radar. So 130 has the support, and next immediate resistances are 150 as well as 175. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section and also in Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.